Hey guys, what's up? In the last class we were discussing about the assigning of the different load cases and loads to the structure. Till now we have already given the self weight to our structure, and we had already defined our unit weight, and that is 15. Oh, it is 15 and minus 7.5, that is 15 due to the external wall means the outer wall weight, and 7.5 is the partition walls weight. So now we will also add the floor load because the slabs will also be there. So let's add it. Add, go for the floor load, and after calculation you may find it out like 2.5 kilonewton per meter square. It is in this direction in global Y. Add. So close. No, actually another thing, up to now we were just writing it as add, but here you need to give what, a range. Otherwise, because your floor load will not be on the ground floor, just to think about it, the floor load will not be acting on the ground load, but here only just you see it has been acting on the ground load, because there is another important criteria that we have missed, and that is range. We can here define the range from which floor to which floor it will be acting, or from which height to which height. So it will be acting in the xz plane only, so we need to define the y range. So minimum from which height, you say it like 2 meters, you can say, because above 2 meters only every structure is there. And maximum you may say it like 20, you can give it like 25, not an issue. You may give it minimum of 3, but let's go for 20. Change, close. Now just see, the floor load gets over on each floor. Fine, just visualize the change. Yeah, now let's go for the wall load, giving the wall to the external walls. In order to give the wall load to the external walls, we'll be selecting all the beams and columns. Let's first we are going for the outer wall, which are generally 10-inch wall, 250 mm. Yeah, assign to selected beam, assign, yes. Now you see all the load has been added. Now let's go for the inner walls, the top floor view. It's like this. Check if you are having it correctly, yes, and then assign to selected beams, assign, yes. Now just you see, we have already assigned the floor load, the self weight, the yes, save, the floor load, the ground means the wall load of the major walls and the partition walls. So the load case details of the dead load has already been added. Hope you like this video. See you in the next lecture.